Melt like butter. Unpacking the simile. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture. Melt like butter. This expression is rich in imagery and used in various contexts. By understanding it, you can add a flavorful layer to your English conversations. So, let's get into the heart of what it means to melt like butter. Melt like butter is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. When we say something melts like butter, we're comparing its manner of melting, changing, or yielding to the way butter easily melts under heat. This phrase can describe both physical and metaphorical transformations. Literal use. In its literal sense, melt like butter might be used to describe how something physically melts or becomes soft in a way that's reminiscent of butter. For example, you might say, "The chocolate melted like butter in the sun," highlighting how smoothly and quickly the chocolate turned into a liquid form. Figurative use. More interestingly, the phrase is often used figuratively to describe a change in emotion or attitude. For example, if someone has a tough exterior but becomes very gentle or emotional under certain circumstances, you might say, "He melts like butter whenever he talks about his family." Here, it signifies a transformation from a solid, perhaps cold demeanor, to a softer, warmer one. Let's look at some sentences that use melt like butter to understand its application better. 1. Her heart melted like butter when she saw the stray puppies. Here, it means the person felt a sudden rush of warmth or compassion. 2. The crowd melted like butter in his hands, as he charmed them with his words. This implies that the audience became very receptive or agreeable, influenced by the speaker's charisma. 3. The cheese melted like butter over the hot pasta, creating a delicious meal. A literal example demonstrating how smoothly and perfectly the cheese melted. In summary, melt like butter is a versatile phrase that can enrich your English vocabulary. Whether used literally to describe a physical change or figuratively to depict emotional softening, it adds depth and imagery to your language. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression more confidently in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, English is a language full of colorful expressions like this. Embrace them, and you'll find yourself communicating with greater flair and nuance. Happy learning!